Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, you'll want to create an Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and click on sign up in the upper right corner. Fill in your email address, name, and a strong password. Once registered, confirm your email to activate your account. Next, familiarize yourself with Etsy's platform. Explore the various shops and listings to understand what makes them successful. Pay attention to product descriptions, photos, and shop policies. Now, it's time to choose a niche for your web development project. Consider your interests and skills when selecting a product category. After that, create a business plan outlining your goals. Decide on your target audience and how your offerings will stand out. Then, set up an Etsy shop. Click on Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to open your shop. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Next, start adding products to your shop. Take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions for each item. Price your products competitively while ensuring you cover costs. Once your items are listed, focus on promoting your shop. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products and reach more customers. Engage in online communities related to your niche for additional exposure. Now, think about optimizing your listings for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve visibility. Experiment with different tags to see which ones attract the most traffic. Consider offering promotions or discounts to encourage first-time buyers. Monitor your shop's performance using Etsy's analytics tools. Evaluate which products are selling well and which need adjustments. If you're serious about growing, consider creating your own website. This allows for more control over branding and customer experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.